Okay, so only time will tell. Let's get in a market guest now to tell us what he's made of for all this news flow that we're getting. Nitin Jain of Edelweiss Securities joins us to talk about that. Nitin, hi. The market has seen a good amount of rebound from the low point. Do you think this is purely short covering that we're seeing, or is there something within the economic survey document that makes the market a little more bullish about tomorrow's budget?
I don't think the market has reacted to the economic survey as much as I think the markets were quite beaten down yesterday. I think the market was down as much as around 2%. But that was nifty. If you look at the mid-cap stocks, I think they were hammered quite out of shape. In fact, some of the stocks were down maybe even 15-20%. And it's very reasonable to expect a mild bounce after a sharp fall like that. And my suspicion is that markets will hover around this range at least till the budget time tomorrow. Not much is going to happen. And I think this time budget can be a game changer, unlike a lot of earlier budgets where I think budget really didn't play a major role in the direction of the markets. But
so Nitin,
I feel this
how are the F&O guys actually preparing for this event? What is the dominant activity on Nifty?
Actually, a lot of people are playing a trade going long volatility, in the sense that the options are not priced as expensive as they should be prior to an event, and hence a lot of buying of options is happening today. In fact, one of the opportunities that we are also recommending to a lot of clients is that buy 5800 call and buy 5800 put. The total outflow would be around 204 to 205 bucks, and we would not be surprised to see a 2.5% move tomorrow either ways, which will mean that you can easily make 25 to 30 bucks on this investment. So that looks like a good trade right now.
Any stock specific trades that you guys are recommending ahead of tomorrow?
No, we would rather wait and watch for tomorrow because you're not going to lose much prior to the budget. But there are a lot of trades which are available right now if you are looking from a long-term point of view. We have discussed earlier, retail NBFCs look very attractive. They have fallen quite a lot in the last 1.5 months. So they provide you excellent entry opportunities. One other space that we have been excited about for a long time has been media. Some of the stocks again there have corrected quite sharply. Some actually like TV18 and all have fallen by 35-40%, and it provides great opportunities to enter these stocks again.
From the frontliners itself, how are the rollovers looking as you get into the next series, Nitin? Where are you seeing long rollovers within the frontliner stocks?
So I didn't see the exact numbers of the rollovers, but rollovers look all right. This time they're reasonably okay. Most of the long rolls are typically happening on the IT counters because those are the counters where a lot of expectation in terms of prices moving up over the next expiry is building up. In fact, after a long time, you are also seeing Nifty not trading at a premium prior to the expiry day, which is also telling you the expectations of the market from expiry. But longs are typically on the IT side and maybe select FMCG counters, whereas shorts are getting built on more speculative stocks.
Well, actually, Nitin, we'll have to leave it at that. Out of time on the show. Thanks for joining us. But before we leave you on markets and macros, let's leave you with some breaking news that our correspondent Kritika Saxena has picked up on Jet.